How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Well, in this video, I will be doing a quick comparison between the animations that we get in Samsung One UI 3.0 with the OnePlus OxygenOS 11. I have got the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the brand new OnePlus 8T with me right now. Both of these phones are running on Android 11, and in today's video, we will find out which phone animation feels very smooth and better. With that being said, make sure you guys watch this video till the very end. Also, let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. So drop a like and let's get started. So that's pretty much it guys. Overall, I feel Samsung One UI animations are very smooth and polished when compared to the OnePlus animations. But to be very honest, OnePlus feels slightly more faster than the Samsung. So it's up to you. If you like more clean and beautiful animations, then you can easily go with Samsung's smartphone. But if you want better speed and performance, then OnePlus is perfect for you. So that's pretty much it guys. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.